I'm going to add an image to a content page that I've been editing. You will have to have an image saved to your computer ready to go. Any images that we use in our D2L courses have to be uploaded to the Manage Files area. So you'll just do a simple upload to the Manage Files area and then actually find the spot in the content page that you want to insert the image. So I have my image already saved on my desktop for this example. I'm on the main screen of my D2L homepage. We're going to start by going to Course Admin. And then we're going to go to Manage Files. This Manage Files section has all of the back-end files, whether it's content pages, whether they're HTML, if there's any PDF documents that have been used. We also store our images in there. Generally, these are organized in the same structure as the units within the course. The unit that I've been working on is this measurement unit, so I'm going to click that. You'll see my content pages already here, and they're linked to the content section. My images folder is where we're holding all of the images that are on those content pages. So for this example, I'm going to actually upload a new image to the folder by clicking Upload and Upload again. I saved mine on my desktop just for easy access, and it was this excavator example. I'm going to open that. It's a JPEG, so generally we use JPEGs, PNGs for the most part within our courses. Ideally, before the upload, we would have the image reshaped and sized how we want it. Sometimes we do have to do a quick insert though, and maybe the file won't be as edited and clean as we would want. That's okay. We'll hit save. I just uploaded that excavator image into my root folder. I'm now going to navigate to the content page that I would like to insert this image in. I'm going to click on Content. Again, it was the measurement unit, so I'm on there already, and it was Lesson 6. The view only should load up. My content page. Again, I can't edit anything in this view. In order to actually edit the content page, we have to scroll to the bottom. And click on the Edit HTML. I now have edit rights on here. I can change text. We could swap out an image. If I wanted to put it here, I could simply delete this image and insert the new one. I'm going to scroll to the area where I would like to insert this image. It was in one of these example boxes. The problem has already been typed out for me, but I didn't have an image to go with it. Here it is right here. So this describes what is going on in the image. I just needed to insert the image. So I'm going to hit Enter, click to a new line, and I'm going to click the Insert Image icon. I've already uploaded my image to a root folder, so I'm actually going to go to Course Offerings. Anytime you just upload an image to your course and you don't put it in a root folder, it will just end up on the back end in all the managed files, unorganized. Over time, your course can become quite overwhelming with all the files not in folders. So we prefer to upload it to a folder at the start just to keep it all clean on the back end. So we're going to go Course Offering Files. I'm going to navigate to the measurement folder where I uploaded it. And again, it was in the Images folder. And I'm looking for that same image. You can imagine how overwhelming the files get in the back end with all of these being uploaded. Should be alphabetical here. There it is, Excavator 2. I'm going to click Add. You can give it an alternate text so that when students scroll over it, they can see what it is. UDL design principle, really. Hit OK. And there my image popped up. Now it looks okay there. For this example, I might actually want to click on it and align it into the center of the page for quick viewing. You can also do some reshaping. If it's a little large, you could make it a little bit smaller. If there is text that you would like beside the image, you could also align it right, like that, or align it left, if that makes more sense. For this example, I think I'm just going to leave it centered. This was basically one of the basic edits you can do with images in D2L using the D2L editor. For more advanced features like rounding corners, it requires a little bit more processing power. So if you have specific things that you would like to do with images in your Brightspace course, don't hesitate to reach out to a CBE Learn technology support, and we can help you brainstorm different ideas that you can do with the images in your courses. I'm satisfied with that for now. I'm going to hit save and close. And I'll just verify that the image showed up. There it is right there.